Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change to a landscape orientation in Canva. So whether you're working on a photo or like a social media post or something else, sometimes you might want to change the orientation from the design being vertical to more landscape. So I'll show you how to do that. So to start with, we're going to click on the design and we're going to click on resize in the top left-hand corner. It's important to note that this resize feature is only available on the Pro plan, so you need to be on the Canva paid plan to resize images like this. But if you have that, go ahead. So click on resize and then it's going to suggest a few different sizes for you. But today we're going to click on to custom size. And from there, you'll see what the size is already. So as you can see, the height is larger than the width. So we can go in and change this over. So when I click in the width little tab, you can see these pop up. So without even typing anything in, I can just click on the landscape feature and it will add the sizes in for me. So by clicking on that, it's gonna do the work for me. So now all I need to do, I can either click on copy and resize or resize this design. So if you don't want to lose this first image, just click on copy and resize. So I'm going to click on that and then Canva will go ahead and resize your image into landscape. So I'm going to click on open and it's made my image into a landscape. So of course I will have to edit the image to make it fit. So I can just put it to one side and then drag it to fit into the landscape picture. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.